Hello.
Hello and welcome to our latest Facebook Live, minus the big man himself, I'm afraid to say. So today we thought we'd share some of our super exciting news with you about a new service that we're offering, which is our super duper new website and online shop, and also a blog that'll tell you all your hair and beauty needs. Fantastic. And give you any kind of advice and news about the salon, special offers, all the sneak news.
Wonderful. Great. So you're going to talk us through the website.
Voila!
Ta-da! Lovely. Look at that.
So one of the lovely features about our new site is the ability for you, our lovely clients, to get to know our team a little bit better. So apart from the big man himself, we also have pages on each of our team members. So you can click on any of them and it'll bring up a little biography. It tells you all about their special talents and skills.
Lovely.
And the other feature that we've put in this is we've got a little gallery that shows you some of the work that they do.
Beautiful.
So you can see for yourself exactly how amazing our team is.
Yeah. So there's a before and after.
There is, and every team member will have a slightly different gallery. And if they float your boat, you can just click on the button and that'll take you straight to our
online booking system where you can book 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, no downtime whatsoever. Lovely. Good.
So next we'll show you our super new blog. So when you have a look at this, there are some filters. So depending on what your special interest is, whether it's education or fashion week or whether it's reviews, you can have a look at the section and find out more.
So that's the education tab right there.
It sure is. And that's Nelson in full flow, educator extraordinaire.
Great.
Bringing on the future talent in the salon.
Yeah, absolutely.
And then, this is a super important one, summer hair tips. Not that we're quite in summer here yet,
no,
but we can live in
hope.
hope.
Looking miserable outside. It's dry though. But yeah,
that's a start, isn't it?
Absolutely.
So that one's all about holiday hair myths and top tips in making sure that your hair stays lovely and healthy through the summer.
Great.
With the best Windland Moody products that you can use for that.
Lovely. And that information has come straight from the horse's mouth, straight from Nelson himself.
It sure has. They're all Nelson's top tips and all his hot advice on how to best look after your hair.
Great. Lovely.
So then,
how easy? Yeah. So can you talk us through actually buying products, please?
Mm-hmm. Of course I can. So you've got your shop tab up here, and so let's have a look at Windland Moody. So we've separated all the products into sections for you to make everything really easy to find.
Yeah, so we've got shampoo, conditioner, hair treatments, styling sprays, hairspray, hair oil and wax. Fab, super easy.
So if we go into conditioners here, we've also got the option as well on the site, as well as the standard 250ml bottles that we sell, we also do a super duper massive size of 1,000 millilitres, which will last you for an absolute aeon.
And also you see there, because that at first could be quite confusing, because see how it says like the 25 to 75, but as soon as you click on the drop down menu here, you've got the size and it alters the price.
That's right.
Great.
So there's a price for everybody. And then underneath we've got directions and a wee description as well, so you know how to use the products yourself at home.
Great.
And keep watching, because this will all get updated in time. We've got some other exciting plans involved with the products on the website. So yeah, keep checking back for more.
Lovely. Good. So when you can you go through and process this? Okay, so there's a basket there. You've added it to your basket.
That's right.
So what's the next step? How easy is this?
It's super easy. We use PayPal And then that means that none of your card details or secure details are stored with us. It's all done through PayPal, and they have it all secure and tucked away there. The other thing that you should know as well is you see that little lock icon up there?
Yep, see, I'll just zoom in.
That means that this site has what they call a secure socket layer on it, which means that it's safe.
Okay.
It's safe to use.
To the normal person,
You don't need to worry about being hacked or your details being compromised or anything like that. Everything is all secure and it's really slick. So all you do is you just click on proceed to checkout, pop your details in there. If you're ordering one of our studio vouchers, or golden tickets as we like to call them in the salon, they're ordered in multiples of £10. So if you wanted to buy £50, a £50 gift voucher, you would put through 5 £10 vouchers, and then in your order notes here you can specify that you would like that in one single voucher, or if you were buying 2 for a gift, you could say you would like 2 for £25, and we'll post your golden tickets right out to you, which can be redeemed in either of our 2 salons, Lockerbie or Dumfries.
Great.
And they can be used against any of our products or services.
Great.
So a perfect gift.
Yeah, it is, absolutely. Great, lovely.
So I think we've solved 3 needs there. We've solved all your hair needs, your beauty needs, and gift buying. We've made super easy for you.
We sure have, absolutely. Great, lovely. So, any other questions? So making an appointment is still the same, still very straightforward.
Absolutely, no matter what page you're on the site, you'll see a wee blue button here.
Yep.
And there's another one here. Click on it, and it brings you straight up to our online booking page, which is all directly in the site now. And you can choose which salon you want to go to. You can read a wee bit more about it, about the opening hours.
And then it just takes it from there.
Yeah, and then you can just pop your details in and come in and see us.
Lovely. So making an appointment has never been easier.
It certainly hasn't.
Lovely. Great. Thank you, Farida.
You're very welcome.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.